Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Rolling Shune. So guys, lately I have been doing a little delays in uploading new videos since I've got my exams coming up soon, which is why I'm experiencing little shortage of time. However, I do try to keep the momentum on by uploading at least a video in a week. So any which ways guys, today's video is again going to be about a very controversial dietary product after whey protein, which happens to be eggs, around which revolves a lot of wrong judgments and claims and invalidated absorbed knowledge. And today we will be talking about the consumption of eggs, as in the quantity of eggs that shall be consumed every day in order to develop a good lean muscle, as both of these products are the best source of protein. So talking about the consumption of eggs. Now this product again revolves around a lot of conspiracy theories and criticism with regards to the consumption of eggs, as in the elevation of cholesterol level in your body and probability of catching heart disease and all those things that we already know. So instead of getting into deep conversation or explanation with regards to what claims and what sort of criticism, as we would already be knowing about it, let's directly dip into the fact that science suggests us about the cholesterol, and with that probably all your doubts and confusion would be cleared. So there's this two type of cholesterol that our body produces. To make it easy, let's say HDL, the high density lipoprotein or a good cholesterol, and then comes the LDL, which is low density lipoprotein or a bad cholesterol. So first thing first, let's talk about the bad cholesterol, the LDL cholesterol that is produced in the liver, objective of which is to nurture the cells in need, which utilizes it in the production of vitamin D, bile and hormones. It's the excess amount of LDL that is not consumed by these cells, which forms the clogging in the arteries and affecting the smooth circulation of bloodstream in the blood vessel, which often results with the problems of heart issues and heart attacks. And now comes the another type of cholesterol, which is HDL or the high density lipoprotein or a good cholesterol, which is produced by the liver, objective of which is to declog this plaque in artery, thus removing it and sending it back to the liver, and then liver excrete it from the body, increasing the lumen of the artery, which was initially occupied with the LDL or the bad cholesterol, and allowing the designated space for the flow of blood. That's how nature has developed our body for natural healing process. And then nature has blessed us with foods and stuffs that we have around us, which actually helps us in absolutely the opposite way of what is said about it, like in the case of eggs, which actually is rich in cholesterol, but it's the good cholesterol it is rich in. The high density lipoprotein, the one that actually helps declogging the plaque or the LDL in our blood vessels, as claimed by experts and the reputed researchers and proven as well. As the matter of fact, excessive of consumption of anything is bad, and so is in the case of consumption of eggs. So what is exactly the excess figure when it comes to consumption of eggs? So that's where one has to do experiment with the consumption of eggs and assess its response on their body. So of course, body requirement varies between the one who regularly goes to gym and the one who do not go to gym, who do not work out. So the requirement of body differs from person to person with their lifestyle. So many people would be allergic or intolerant with eggs, and their body might not accept it due to some XYZ reasons. So that's an exceptional part, and of course it's not advisable for them. But for the rest, it's totally okay and fine to consume eggs depending on their body type and the way they work out in gym and the magnitude of the rigorous activity they do while working out, in a way decides the body requirements. So yes, eggs are rich in cholesterol, and the most of it is in the yellow part of the eggs, which is yolk. But what is important is it's the good cholesterol it is rich in, the HDL cholesterol. And the yellow part of the egg actually accelerates your testosterone level as well, which means you will lift heavier weight in gym because of the elevated testosterone level in your body, which means eventually you will be able to gain more weights. So do not throw all of it. So it is okay to consume it in a ratio of 3:5 or at least 2:5 if you are too conscious about it. But please do not just throw it away. It has good values attached to it. And by the way, eggs are equally good and essential for both males and females. So do not pin up your preconceived myths over it. I hope I have been a help guiding you through this dietary tool. Please everyone out there, stay educated, healthy and hydrated. Hope you have liked my video guys. Consider hitting the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, or if you are a new guy, please subscribe it. Hit that bell icon so that you stay notified. Share it across with your friends, your buddies, your gym partners, your colleagues, your co-workers and everyone as well. Help me increase my YouTube family guys. I really love you. Thank you so much.